Hello! Today I'm going to talk to you about the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. I love Shea Moisture products. I have very difficult hair to tame. It's very thick, it is very colored, and it is very curly. And this is the perfect shampoo for that. People with curly hair will relate to this, that most shampoos out there have sulfates and other chemicals in them that strip your natural oils of your hair. So it's a lot harder to get that texture and to define your curls and really deal with that frizz that so many of us kind of go through. It has coconut oil, silk protein, neem oil, and it's just really nourishing in that way, hydrating and nourishing. A lot of the moisture leaves your hair, and it's summertime and it's sweaty out, and this really kind of revives it when I need to. I don't use shampoo every day. Usually I co-wash with my conditioner, but when I do use shampoo once or twice a week to rinse out that oiliness and kind of replenish everything and just keep it clean, I definitely will use this because it's just such a nice thing to start with, and then to follow up with the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. That just makes it so much better. And that's how I actually found it. I was like, I cannot use my shampoo anymore, but I have to find one, so I figured I'd find a similar one in the same brand. It really smells really good. This does not come with a pump. It's more of one of those snap-on things here. So it's a very liquidy consistency, and a lot of the time people get confused when they try it for the first time because it doesn't lather, and it's more like just a liquidy feeling, a liquidy texture. And usually when people put shampoo in their hair, they're used to bubbles and it frothing up and it's, soapy, but not this one. So I do find myself using a lot of it, but luckily I don't shampoo that often, so I don't have to worry about it. It is made in the USA, and it's 13 fluid ounces and 384 milliliters. So there's quite a lot in here, and I definitely haven't gone through it fast, which is nice that it lasts very long. Yeah, so as you can see, the packaging is really nice, and you can definitely find a lot of Shea Moisture established in 1912 products. They have so many different nice ones for people with different hair types, and that just feel really good. They smell really great, and they're just amazing. You definitely need to explore these lines and their products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.